Hi everyone.
Hiya.
Hope everyone's safe and keeping well. We're all doing okay, aren't we?
Yeah, fine.
Still working, and thank goodness. Anyway, this is September's
Pop in a box
subscription. I can't say it.
We get 2 pops every month for $18.99, $2.99 delivery.
So, should we go open the first one?
Yep. Thumbs up what you want, thumbs down what you don't want. And you should get what your thumbs up.
We've opened these. Well, I've opened it.
Yeah, I don't know what they are.
Just so it's.
It should be about. It'll take you about half an hour to open it.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
All right. Another Disney one. Band Concert Mickey.
Did you thumbs up that one then?
Yeah. It's like, these are quite old, these, but I only thumbs up a couple of them. I quite like this one, so.
I like any Disney one.
Yeah. You like anything Disney, don't you?
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, that's cute. It's wand.
Yeah, looks nice. I like that.
I like the feather in his cap.
Yeah.
I like the smell of him.
Yeah, so there's quite a few of the 90th. Is it 90th anniversary or something like that? Or 90th birthday. But yeah, it's alright. Disney, which is good. Good, yeah. I think Disney's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's alright. First one. 2 common ones again. We ain't got no bigger ones. So
Let's see what this one is. Ooh. Pink. Get it out. Ooh, we've seen that, haven't we?
alright. Yeah, this is an old one as well, but we brought it out again. Agent Venom, pop in a box exclusive.
We see it's good film, that, isn't it?
Yeah. I think the second one's out next year.
Is
Well,
it?
it's supposed to be this year, but everything's been put back. I think it's next year.
Oh, maybe we'll get it on plane.
Yes.
Is this the actual one? Or is this a different? Is
No,
this who plays Venom?
not sure. I don't know. Don't think so.
Tom Hardy, is it called?
No, I don't. It's not from the film. I don't think.
Alright.
Probably from the comics or something.
Alright.
It's got a sticker on it, so
Marvel
that's why I
bubble
got
egg.
it. Can get a chase one, but it's wise to think the chase. Yeah.
It's got the thing on his chest. And on the back of that. Good.
Yeah, probably.
You know.
Just got
I mean, what to
Probably-
sniff it. Yeah, I want to sniff it in real.
$18.99's worth. Nothing special. But yeah, nice. Okay.
Another one.
Yeah, not bad again. Get it in. Yeah, so now we've got some what we've bought over the last month from different places. So I'm going to show you them now. This is another one from Pop in a Box. Some
Nightmare Before Christmas.
Nightmare Before Christmas, yeah. We haven't got the old one, so as soon as we was making another one, I had to get this.
It's our favourite film, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got them all, the teddies behind us there. There's the mare's face.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
The head turns round.
Sad face.
Yeah.
Good that.
So that's going to pop in the box. And the next one.
What's this one? King Triton.
Yeah. This is another one that's been out quite a bit and it come back in stock. Plus it was £11.99 and then I got 10% off. So it was, I think it's £10.16, so practically giving it away, so I had to get it. This is from EMP. I'm a member of the Backstage Club, so you get free delivery and everything. So, 10.16. Disney is again, so I had to get it. 6-inch pop as well. So you paid £9.99 for the normal size. That was £10, fine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Practically giving it away.
Very nice.
Yeah, so that's from EMP. Now this one is from Pop Culture, which is Australian, from Australia. I've heard about it, but I've never actually purchased anything off it. But this came on Figment, so I had to get it. Took about a month to come, but it's in perfect condition. Yeah, didn't have to pay customs because I think under £15 you don't pay any customs. I think it was about £20 with delivery.
From Australia?
Yeah. It was, I think it was about £7. I think it was £12.55 and then £7 some delivery. It was like about £20 altogether. It doesn't have the Disney Park badge on it, but sticker. But we won't be selling it anyway, so.
Chef Figment.
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 Epcot Food and Wine Festival. Yeah, so as soon as you've seen that, you definitely have to get that.
Yeah.
The only bad thing, you ain't got the Disney Park sticker on, but we'll live with that.
This is a big one.
Next, it's 10-inch Mandalorian child, which we all know is Yoda, Baby Yoda. I got this off Amazon. I had a £5 voucher, so and I found it on. It was £30. So with the £5, it's 25, and then I ordered it in July, and it come middle of this month. But then they knocked another £3, so I think it was £21.96 for a 10-inch pop. So
It's really good.
another bargain.
Bargain. Ollie wants to get a smell. Oh, that's a big one, isn't it? You better hold it.
Yeah. New series is on.
Next week, I think.
Is it? Something like that, yeah.
Sure, it's next week.
Yeah, so £21. Another bargain.
You're good at finding bargains,
Yeah.
aren't you? When it comes to pots, I think he'd be up all night looking to try and find a great deal on pots.
Try not to pay full price for anything.
He buys pots like I buy the craft stuff.
That many that come out now. Yeah, so
That's it for.
is that it?
That's it for now. Wait till the next lot comes.
Yeah. We have ordered some more for next month, so we'll have the unboxing and show you some more of the other stuff. But for now, that's it.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.